During my spiritual awakening, life pulled the rug from underneath me. I was hit all at once, mentally, emotionally, physically, spiritually. Everything cracked wide open. I had severe TMJ. My emotions that I never felt before started flooding my system, not only mine, but everyone else's. And I was really overwhelmed. My career came to a stop, and I was left with all these feelings that I didn't know what to do with. I thought breath work, I thought meditation would be enough. And while it helped, it also made things more intense because of how wide open my nervous system was and how it was taking in all this energy. And I realized I was really highly empathic and highly sensitive, and how energy really affected me. And I had to let go of this old version of me and how I used to show up into the world, tough and like I had everything figured out, and really start showing up in a new way and really respecting my nervous system, my sensitivity, and really start reorienting my life. And eventually I reached out to a healer, and she taught me about energy shielding and helped me rebalance my nervous system. And that one session really changed everything for me. She told me that I had a gift too, that I have the ability to help others with healing. And that led me down a path towards pranic healing, which is a powerful energy healing system that was created by Master Choa Kok Sui to help end human suffering. So, for the last 6 months, I've been immersing myself into his courses and teachings to really help heal myself. And it has worked. But now I could really clear out a lot of the emotional and stuck pain that was in my body, stuff from that I was holding on for years, and not just cope with it, but actually heal and move through it. And when I'm feeling overwhelmed with energy or stressed or have physical pain or something going on, I can easily go in using the tools that I've learned and rebalance my nervous system and instantly move through it versus continuing to suffer and endure daily pain that I was taking on each and every day. I'm going through a certification process now, and I do have a few slots open. So if you're feeling overwhelmed, like life is too much, there is a way through. If you have mental, emotional, physical, spiritual pain, this energy healing system can help you move through all of it. So please send me a DM. I do have a few slots open. Would love to hear from you.